If you're new to affiliate marketing and you're starting to hear words like niche or avatar or funnels or email campaigns, that's okay. Don't worry. I'm going to actually show you and break down what a niche is. If you see here on my computer, here are the top 3 niches. You have health, wealth, and relationship. And basically a niche is just something that you're interested in, something you're passionate about that you can talk about for hours. Now, in my opinion, a lot of people don't teach like this, but if you are a newbie and you are not branded in a specific area like health, wealth, or relationships, then I suggest you start in the wealth niche. And if you're grabbing a training, you become an affiliate marketer for that training. Now, if you are already in the health niche and you are trying to figure out how to be an affiliate, you can start promoting things like protein powder, recipes, fitness equipment, activewear. You can create ebooks on workouts and recipes. Now, also, if you are in the health industry, you may not find a high ticket product. You are going to have to create your own. You're going to have to create some type of course or some type of coaching. And pretty much that's the same throughout all of these. Just like relationships, you're going to have to create your own course or coaching. But in the wealth niche, if you grab the training, you can start there as a beginner and promote the course, and that will teach you all the skills you need to eventually branch out into one of your passions. Make sure you like and save this video, and make sure you check out all my other videos because I am breaking down all the steps that you need to get started with affiliate marketing.